Oh. Whoa! What is that? Wow, look at that. We have slime.
Apple.
Oh, that's blue. Yeah. Oh, look at all of that glitter, Lorenzo. The boat is a little glittery now. It's stuck in the slime. Ooh. Oh. Oh, right off of the boat. Whoa. Look at that.
A cat.
Is that Jackson Storm?
Yeah.
Oh, and look, there's like, what is that? The Derby bus? It's like an RV, like the RV Derby car.
Oh, Derby cars.
Ramon, Sarge, Tomater, Lightning McQueen. Oh, look, the ambulance. Cruz Ramirez, too. Wow, look at that. Look, it's a 10-pack of mini racers. Let's look. Oh, look, this is all of their names. So we have, this is Dr. Damage, and this is RV. Look at that. RV. Sarge, Ramon, Mater, Tim Treadless, Danny Swervez. Look at that. Oh, and look, it looks like there might be some like tracks and stuff that we can get. Oh, look at that. Might be some tracks and stuff we can also get in the future. You want to take these out?
Yes.
You want to take them out? Let's do it. Okay, let's try to unbox these now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see here.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at all of these cars. Wow, they're cool cars because they're metal too. Wow, look at this. Ooh, Sarge.
Wow, these are nice. And they actually roll.
Mm-hmm. Look at Tomater. Ramon. Lightning McQueen. Look at this one. I like this one the most. Which one was this one? Danny, I think this is Danny Suarez.
Cruz.
Yeah, Cruz. Look at this one. What's that? Oh, that's Jackson Storm. Look at Jackson Storm. And look at this. This is the ambulance. Rambulance. Dr. Damage. Right on the back there. And then look, this is RV. Whoa, what is this? They're eggs. That's right. If these are eggs, how many eggs do we have?
Let's count them, Lorenzo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, we got 8 eggs. All right, so for our first egg, let's see what we have.
Oh, who's that? Go ahead, open it.
Whoa! What?
I got it.
Look at this, Cave Lightning McQueen. It's a cool car. Show everybody what you got. Cave Lightning McQueen?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, another one.
Look at that.
Okay. You ready? You do it. You open.
Let's see what's in the second egg.
Just open the egg, baby. You might help, Mommy?
Uh-oh.
Go ahead. Now you open it. Wow. I wonder who's in there.
Oh. Whoa. What is that? Let me see. Whoa.
He is
so cool.
Look at his little teeth.
Look at his little teeth. Look, he's got little
tail.
teeth. And he's got a little tail. Look at his little tail. You see his little tail?
It's cute.
Yeah, look how many wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Whoa.
Who's in that? Oh, another Cave Lightning McQueen. So we got 2 now. Look at that. We got 2 of those ones. Who's that? Whoa. That one's really cool.
That's so cool.
Look at his tail.
Yeah,
It's
he's
got
got
like
a
a
tail.
big spiky tail and a spiky head. Wow.
Oh, X.
Oh, that's another egg. That's right.
Here you go.
Here we go.
Tim?
Let's see. What does it looks like? I think I see what it looks like. Oh, no.
Wow.
Whoa. It's another Lightning McQueen. Lorenzo, how many of these Lightning McQueens do we have now?
Can you count?
Yeah.
How many? How many? 1,
2,
2,
3.
3. We have 3 of these Lightning McQueens.
X.
Let's see.
Wow! That tail.
Whoa.
That tail.
Whoa, look at his tail. It's a big spike.
X.
Look at the horn he's got for a nose.
X.
Wow.
X.
Yeah.
Come on.
Let's see who it is.
Come on. Say. Wow!
Whoa.
That's
Wait a second. This guy looks familiar. Do we have another one of these?
Yeah.
How many do we have? How many of those ones do we have?
2.
We have 2, that's right. All right, so we have 2 of those.
This is your
We have
last
3 of
egg.
these. And here's the last egg, Lorenzo. So let's see.
Your last one.
Let's see what we have in the last egg here.
Wow! Wow!
What? Is that another one?
Yeah, 2X!
So how many do we have now?
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
We have 4 of these.
Those are so cool. Look at tomato.
We have 2 of these. We got a bunch of these cars. Yeah, look at Tomater. So that is the mystery eggs. It's the Cars on the Road mystery eggs. And we got 4 Lightning McQueens. So if we lose one, Lorenzo, we'll have 3 more to replace that. And then if we lose another one, we'll have 2 more after that. Let's see how many cars we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and Lorenzo threw a bunch to the side, so probably 16, 17, 18 cars. Out of all of these cars, which one is your favorite? Which one do you like the most? I'm gonna pick my favorite. That's your favorite?
Yeah?
Okay, this one's my favorite right here. And Mommy, what is your favorite?
This guy's cool.
Oh, you like RV? I like Ambulance, Dr. Damage. And Lorenzo, is that your favorite? Is that the one you're set on?
Yeah?
Okay, put them next to Mommy and Daddy's. Wow, look at that. Dada, Mama, Lorenzo. What do we have here, Lorenzo? Whoa, we have cars and we have slime. Wow, look at that. We have slime.
A pool. A
Oh,
pool.
that's blue, yeah. purple.
Purple.
That's right. What color is this one?
Whoa.
Green.
Sim.
Yeah, that's green. What color is this?
Patsy.
Pink. And what color is this?
Bang.
Gray.
Day.
What is that?
Cuts.
Are those the little cars that we just got?
Americas.
Wow.
Mimis.
And then what is this over here, buddy?
Chits.
Oh, that's sand. Look at that, so we could play in the sand. Lorenzo, whoa. What is this over here?
Apple.
That's a nice little pool, but what is this?
Apple.
Is that a boat?
Apple.
Did we just get that boat?
Huh?
Let's show everybody this cool boat. Whoa, look at this. It's a Lightning McQueen boat, and the back comes down. So what we could do is, Lorenzo, we could try to ramp those little cars down into that. Look at this glitter. Dump it in the pool. Whoa, look at all that. Oh, look at all of that glitter, Lorenzo. The boat is a little glittery now. Wow, look at that glitter. All right, who do you want to be the first car, Lorenzo? Let's cover one of these guys. Let's do the ambulance. What color should we cover him in slime? Gray?
Yeah.
Gray, okay. Here, put the gray on him. Nice, look at that.
Let me see.
Oh, I don't see him anymore. Look at that. Where did he go? Where did he go? Whoa!
Wow.
So close. Oh, Jackson Storm?
Yuckies?
Yeah, go ahead. Put some slime on him. Oh, yuckies.
Yuckies. Let me see.
Oh, I don't see him anymore. Where did he go?
Da.
Whoa. You want to put Jackson Storm down the ramp?
Yeah.
See if he can make it onto the boat? Let's turn the boat around real quick here. Wait a second. Oh, that was really close. Oh. RV, and you got Sarge. Are you going to put them in slime?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let me see arms.
Let me see. Oh, look at this slime. It's so slimy. Let's see. Oh. What is that? A slime ball?
Yeah.
Whoa. You want to put RV down the slide?
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa.
Kazakhs.
Ooh.
Kazakhs. I know.
Uh-oh.
Kazakhs. Oh no, let me see. Let me see.
Whoa. Oh, just short. Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh, so he has sand on him, and now he's gonna have slime and sand. Oh, look, Lightning McQueen's in there. Oh.
Oh, mama.
Let's see, will he make it? Oh, that was close. Oh, that was close. Oh.
Let go.
Oh, he can't go anymore. He's stuck. Stuck in the slime.
Oh, that's true. To these.
You got two of those.
The that.
Okay.
Turn it down. Turn it down.
They don't go. They're stuck.
Not that.
They're stuck in the slime.
Not
Ooh.
that.
Oh.
Wee.
Whee!
Ah, the up.
Whoa! Look at that gooey mess.
Too much.
Oh, all that slime.
Me too.
It's on you too?
Yeah.
Wow.
YouTube. YouTube.
You like YouTube?
YouTube. Cool. YouTube. Exactly numbers. Oh, two these. Two.
Oh, you got 2 of those as well.
Two. This. Two. This. That.
There's a couple of cars buried in sand here.
Yeah. Man, he cars. No. Man, no, he cars. Vamos.
Oh, right off of the boat. Oh, so close. Oh, he bounced off. Oh, he bounced off. We'll count him. Why don't we count him? Oh, right off of the boat. He's got slime on his tail still. Look at that. He's got slime on his tail. Let's drain some of the water out of the boat. Is that a slime ball?
Yeah. Huh?
Ooh.
Oh no. Oh, we. The toe. Toe. Tomato.
Ooh.
The two toe.
Make sure to get his tail. Nice.